Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Next, use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard. Now unscrew and disconnect palm rest. Now unscrew and disconnect daughter board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.